Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add photos in hidden folder. So just open the photos on this iOS device. So from here you will just go in recents. So just tap to recents, and I will just in recents just selected photos of some mine. So I will just select it 2 to 3 photos of mine, and when I selected of 3, so I will just tap to the top right below. You will see the 3 dots. I will just tap to 3 dots just, and you will see the option of hide icon. So just tap to hide. So these 3 photos will make it hide in recents. So just go and check the scroll down and tap to the hidden. Just type your password to sign in. So you will see that this is my hidden. This video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.